Beautiful new construction home located in prime area. This home offers an open floor plan, with 2 stories, attached 2-car garage, custom kitchen with high quality, soft close cabinets, formal dining area, LVP flooring, beautiful kitchen, west. Stainless steel appliances and huge pantry. Primary bedroom on first floor has Jack and Jill bath and can be used as office. Spacious laundry room on second floor with cabinet and granite folding station. Ceiling fans in all bedrooms. Large primary suite has vaulted ceilings with walk-in closet, and many more features and offers throughout home. Pictures are of similar model. Near JEB Little Creek B, Norfolk International Airport, short distance Botanical Gardens, marinas, local restaurants and grocery stores. Call today. Builder home warranty conveys.